Hello everyone, and welcome to Wellness Addict. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of milk thistle. Stay tuned to discover its incredible health benefits, uses, and much more. Let's get started. And remember, we'll catch up right after the intro. For over 2,000 years, milk thistle has been a staple in traditional medicine, notably for treating jaundice. According to the World Health Organization, milk thistle extracts are clinically proven to complementarily treat acute and chronic hepatitis caused by various toxins like alcohol and drugs. Silymarin is milk thistle's active substance, primarily comprised of salivanin. Concentrated in the ripe seeds, offers therapeutic benefits. It shields the liver from toxins and enhances its function, making it invaluable in hepatitis, cirrhosis, and fatty liver treatment. Let's explore the different ways to incorporate milk thistle into your routine. First, as a herbal decoction. Add 1 tablespoon of milk thistle plant to a cup, 25 cl, of cold water. Boil it for 3 minutes, then let it infuse off the heat, covered, for 10 minutes. It's recommended to drink 2 to 3 cups a day, preferably a little before meals. Next, in powder form, take 1 teaspoon mixed into a little compote, yogurt, or lukewarm water, 30 minutes before your 2 main meals. Capsules offer another convenient option. Take 140 to 210 milligrams of standardized extract with 70 or 80% silymarin, 1 to 3 times a day, before meals. Now I know what you may be thinking. All these benefits sound great, but how do I get more milk thistle into my lifestyle? I'm glad you asked because I have the perfect solution. I'd like to tell you about Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. In each capsule you will get a concentrated extract of powerful nutrients from the purest and highest quality sources which combine to create a powerful synergistic effect. You can find the composition in detail in the description as well as the manufacturer's link. I hope you found this video informative on how to support your liver health naturally with milk thistle. See you soon for a new video, and don't forget to follow the channel to be informed of future videos.